Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a makeup look inspired by Kylie Jenner's makeup look a long time ago. People were doing it before, but you know, I'm always late to the trends. So like I'm going to be doing a colorful color in the inner corner, and then the rest of the eye is going to be simple. But I'm going to go over my whole makeup process even though it's the same thing all the time because I'm boring like that. So if you're new to my channel, if you do not know me, hi, my name is Leslie and I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. I also have a TikTok, girlfriend. I've been on TikTok for like a week or two and literally I'm obsessed. Like I didn't think I would be obsessed with it, but like I'm literally obsessed with it now. So like go watch my TikTok. I'll put it right here. Without further ado, let's just get right into the makeup. So we're going to start off with our Badescu facial spray. It's the purple one with all of these ingredients that I don't really want to read to you on. We're going to spray it on our face and make sure our face is moisturized because you know we need it moisturized. We're going to continue by using our Daily Hydration Face Lotion by Shea Moisture because we gotta moisturize, you know, gotta moisturize the skin. And we're just going to put it on and we're just going to blend it into our skin because we need it to be blended in. Who's gonna not blend in their moisturizer into their skin? Probably me because I would forget. Literally. But next we're going to be using our Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, mainly because I haven't used this in a while and I want to use it. I mean, I used it in my last video, but I filmed my video a long time ago and I don't really remember what foundation I used. Probably the Maybelline foundation, but I'm not really sure, girlfriend. I'm not sure. So we're just going to place it on our face and then you're just gonna blend it out like we always do. So I'm going to make a poll right here and it's going to ask you if you knew my makeup routine from start to finish because literally I do the same thing, and if I have viewers that usually watch my videos, they would know what is my order of my makeup. So I will put the poll right here and give you a few options and then you'll pick which one you think before I even finish my makeup, because literally I do this all the time and I literally think I'm so boring. We're going to put on our Maybelline Fit Me concealer to cover these bags because like they are needed, girlfriend. We're going to cover up some hyperpigmentation that we have as well because we got a lot of it and like it got to go. So we're just going to blend it out and hopefully it blends out because it dries really quickly. We're going to cover up these sleepless nights and everything, and like we're going to set our eyes using this powder right here from the Wet n Wild contouring palette. We're just going to set the under eyes because literally they go creasy all the time and I don't got time for creases because I need to look young all the time. I don't want to get older either. I just want to stay in my house all day doing nothing. Literally. And now that we set our under eyes and our eyelids, we're going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder to set the rest of our face because we don't want to be an oily mess. Even though I have dry skin, I still set my face because sometimes our contour does not go on well if I don't set my face because then it's gonna go patchy and we don't want patchy right now, okay? We don't. Just gonna use a big fluffy brush to do so. This is from Amazon because you know I can't afford the Morphe brushes. I feel like money cures everything. It makes your style look good because you know the Kardashians, have you seen them before they got famous? They look like normal people. Like normal people with normal outfits, and now they're rich and then they make beautiful things. Like, and then we're going to go back to the Wet n Wild contouring palette and just use the contouring color just to contour our face a little because we need it to be contoured a little because you know we want to look snatched, okay? Snatched. And now we're going to move on to the eyes, I believe. Let me see. Oh, I forgot to put on primer. Okay guys, so we have to move on to the eyes, and today we're going to work on the Magic Mini by Juvias Place, and we're going to have this color as our basic color for our inner corner, and I'm very excited about it because it looks so pretty. It's like a purpley color. It's not really that out of my comfort zone, but I feel like it's really beautiful. It's the color Faso. I would say Faso or Faso. I don't know. So we're going to start off by using a canvas color all over our eyes to set our eyes, even though we said it before. I forgot to do my eyebrows, but it's fine. We'll just do it afterwards. So yeah, we're just going to set using this color right here. So I feel like we're going to start off with a normal color in our crease. So the normal color that we're going to use is the color Nana right here. It's a little burnt orangey color, so I feel like it would go well with this facial color. And we're not going to use a lot of it, so it's not going to look like so out of the ordinary. It's going to show, like it's gonna be there. I don't know if you see it. We're going to move on to the other eye and figure our lives out probably, because you know, we're a little confused. And then we're going to take the same Nana color and put it underneath our lash line, because this is just a 2 shadow makeup look and I'm kind of living for it. It's like kind of natural, but kind of not natural, you know? I'm just going to take this color right here and ooh, it's like an alienist color. I kind of like. This is my new favorite color. Oh my god, this is so nice. Anyways, we're not done with the eyes, but I really want to do my eyebrows because like they need to be done, you know? Oh my god, this is my NYX cake powder, and like I finally hit pan in the shade that I use. I was like so happy because I've been using this shade for like 2 years probably straight, and only this shade, and I never hit pan, and now I got pan. And we're just going to fill in our eyebrows like we always do. It's not really that much to it because like I already have eyebrows, so I don't really need to fill them in that much, but I still do because like I can't go out not putting our eyebrows on, girlfriend. So I'm going to put mascara and liner off camera because you know that's too much work, and then we'll come right back once I'm finished doing that. We did liner and mascara. I just did a little liner and a little bit of mascara because you know I do not go all out there like that. So the last things we have to do is our highlighter and our lipstick. So for highlighter, we're going to use our Champagne Pop highlighter. I don't use this that often, so I just need to use it more often because it is a great highlighter actually. So we're going to use this, and then we're just going to place it on our cheekbones and the center of our face as well. And this cheekbone too, you can't forget about this one. Wow. So the last thing we're going to do is put on our lipstick, and we already know which lipstick this is. We don't even gotta tell you. But this is the Sephora Ingenuous lipstick. This is like the perfect nude, and if I were to create a nude for a brand, this would be my nude because like literally this is amazing. Just going to put it on our crusty dusty lips because my lips need a little bit more moisturizing, and I'm just gonna place it on our lips. And I feel like it complements the blue tones in the inner corners, so I think it goes well. I'm not sure. I'm not a beauty guru. I don't even know. So guys, this is the final results of my makeup look. I hope you like it. I really like this makeup look because it's like subtle. Like the color is subtle, but it's like still wearable. So like, I like. I should do this more often, you know? This is the end of my makeup look, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up or a million thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button that looks like this one. And if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video, please hit the bell button right next to it. Anyways, this is the end of the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!